see what animals will meet with glee. On goes the lion, proud and bright, golden mane in the morning light. As flash goes the elephant, big and brown, spraying water all around. Wild goes the penguin, sliding fast on icy snow where fun will last. Bounce, bounce, kangaroo's feet hop into a bouncy beat. Swing, swing, monkey so free from vine to vine in a jungle tree. And stretch, stretch the giraffe's leaves, tall and gentle in the breeze. Curl the fox to leaves so red, dreaming sweetly where it's fed. Peekaboo, the tiger plays in jungle grass, it hides all day. Wash, big whale jumps with glee, splashes high out of the sea. Hop, hop, bunny so light through flower fields, a lovely sight. Hoo, hoo, the owl is wise, watching stars in nighttime skies. Stripey zebra loves to run under rainbows, having fun. Animals big and animals small, we love them, one and all.